welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be doing this glueless install on this gorgeous water wave wig from VShow hair. Today I decided to just switch up how I do my baby hairs, still using the same product. The difference was placement, and just to see if I like this whole, full baby hair trend, and I'm living for it. So if you'd like to see how I did that, just keep on watching. But the specs for this wig is a 26-inch water wave 180 density 13x4 lace frontal wig. This is what it looks like, and I'm here for it. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so. I'm loving this water wave. It screams summer and vacation, and we're currently in summer and we're about to be on vacation, so definitely get your hands on this gorgeous affordable wig from VShow hair. And let me just stop rambling and let's get into the tutorial. this is the finished look. This wig is from VShow hair. They sent me a 26-inch water wave wig. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and this is just what it's giving. I just wanted to do, like, you know, these baby hairs that go all the way down, you know, starting from like the arch of your eyebrows or whatever. So I just tried to give it a try today. Usually the baby hairs won't be so focused on my temple, but it will be like, you know, like right here. And I like this. This is cute. I feel like I'm gonna just do this more often. This wig is actually really, really gorgeous, and the curls or waves are actually really cute. So I love this for this wig. It is 180 density, by the way, so when it dries down it's definitely gonna be a bit fuller than what it looks like now. But right now we're just giving wet look, fresh out the shower, moisturize, and curl custard situation. So for the curls, I use the water in a spray bottle with Moi or My Moi. Let me just get it. It's Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate. So you know we're having some juicy curls. We have our Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is what both of them looks like. I hope both of them are in focus. I just sprayed the hair beforehand with some water, get it wet and stuff. The curl enhancing smoothie to just do the whole do, and it did what it did, and this is just what it's giving. So for me personally, I like water wave hair. I'm a very big fan of water wave hair. This water wave is on the tighter side. You know, you have some looser water waves and you have some tight water waves. This is on the tighter side. This is like a curly water wave hybrid. So this is just what the curls look like, and it's actually really, really, really cute. So there's that. And then shedding from this hair, let me just pull the hairs out the brush for you. So we got this much shed hair, and this is from the first install of just the hairs that I had plucked out, and you know, just regular shedding that comes with curly hair. So it's not too bad on the shedding scale, with 10 being the worst. I'm gonna just give it a 3 out of 10 on shedding. And tangling, I'm not really having much of that. The brush does the work, my fingers do the work. Finger detangling and then brush detangling really helps with tangling, or to avoid tangling. So I'm so here for that with this. And this is pretty much it. I love it, the whole glueless install situation. I'm here for it. I've started to incorporate an elastic band, which is really working out for me, and it just helps the lace to melt seamlessly. And this lace was very thin, so it did the damn thing, girl. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box below. If you'd like to ask me any more questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you guys. Give me a like, don't forget to, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to. And thank you for watching. Bye.